Hey you, have you heard of the most Instagrammable Mediterranean restaurant in Lagos?
Nope.
Okay, come with me. I have to introduce you to a Muslim restaurant in Lagos. Now, first off, this is a gorgeous restaurant and it's divided into four parts. It has this outdoor garden with pretty paintings and then the greenhouse where you can just sit and literally enjoy with nature. Then I had the pleasure of enjoying the mango daiquiri and the lady in green, which is kiwi and mint leaf slush. Of course, now you know your babe loves a widespread and variety of meals to choose from. Even though I can't pronounce most of the name of the meals, my favorite was the mango mousse dessert. Now they have a coffee shop, really cute and petite space with assorted variety of pastries for you to choose from, and a lounge, very spacious lounge with a private dining area. Thanks for watching.